Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming this is an iPad 2 and backing it up. That protects your data if anything goes wrong. Once done, install the latest iTunes on your Mac or Windows PC and connect the iPad with a reliable USB cable. Make sure the iPad has at least a 50% charge and disable passcode or Find My iPad if prompted. This avoids interruptions. Now you're ready to let iTunes recognize the device and prepare the update process. With the iPad selected in iTunes, choose Check for Update first to see the available software. On an iPad 2 that will be the last supported iOS, typically 9.3.5. If the normal update fails, choose Restore to install the firmware fresh. iTunes will download the correct IPSWA and apply it. Make sure you do not disconnect during transfer and watch for any on-screen prompts. This step replaces or upgrades the system files, which is why patience is necessary. After installation finishes, follow the on-device setup, sign into your Apple ID, and restore your backup from iCloud or iTunes. If iTunes reports errors or the update stalls, put the iPad into DFU mode and perform a device restore. This forces a full firmware reinstall. Make sure the host computer's OS and drivers are current, try a different USB cable or port, and if problems persist, reboot both machines before repeating the restore. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.